In this video, we will be discussing the different types of artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. AI is a broad field that encompasses many different approaches and techniques. The different types of AI can be broadly categorized into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Let's take a closer look at each of these types. The first type of AI is narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as playing chess or recognizing speech. It is programmed to excel at one particular task, but it lacks the flexibility and general intelligence of a human. Narrow AI is the most common type of AI used today, and you can find it in many products and services that you use daily. For example, personal assistants like Siri and Alexa use narrow AI to understand and respond to your voice commands. The second type of AI is general AI, also known as strong AI. General AI is designed to be as intelligent as a human, with the ability to reason, plan, and solve problems in a variety of contexts. This type of AI is not yet a reality, but researchers and developers are actively working towards it. General AI would be able to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and think abstractly. It would be able to understand natural language, recognize images, and perform a wide range of tasks that require human-like intelligence. The final type of AI is super AI, also known as artificial general intelligence. Super AI is an extension of general AI, but it surpasses human intelligence and abilities. This type of AI is purely theoretical at the moment, but some researchers predict that it could be developed within the next few decades. Super AI would have the ability to learn and adapt to new situations in ways that are beyond human capabilities. It would be able to think creatively, reason abstractly, and make decisions based on complex and vast amounts of data. In conclusion, these are the three main types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. While narrow AI is the most common and widely used today, general AI and super AI are still largely theoretical, but their potential is incredibly exciting. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we can expect to see new breakthroughs and advancements in the field. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI.